Hey everyone! In this video, you will learn how to make a to-do list. Suppose you have a test tomorrow, 3 assignment submissions, and other things you have to do today. So, your list would be something like this. Studying for let's say 2 hours, finishing your assignments, watching that documentary or movie that you're really into, going for your morning run, and finishing off your household chores. These are your tasks. Now, there are 2 factors you need to think about before making a to-do list. These are the importance of the task and the time it will take you to complete it. According to these factors, we will arrange our tasks into a priority list. The first one would be going for a run, because it's a morning task and you can easily finish this up in 1 hour. The second would be studying for your tests. You need to start studying early in the day so that you can do all the other tasks during your breaks and also have time left for revision at the end of the day. This will take you 2 hours. The third is watching a documentary or movie that you want to do and finishing off your household chores. Since it will hardly take you 1 or 2 hours, you can easily fit this up in your breaks. The last is completing your assignments. I'm putting this in the end because I personally feel that it is easier to finish off writing material in the evening and studying material in the morning. And then once you're done with this, you can start your revision for your test. So, this sums up the to-do list. You now know what to do, when to do it, and how long it will take you to do it. By trial and error, you can learn to keep track of how many hours you can study or write in one go. And that further helps you arrange these tasks and time your breaks. If you have more than 5 tasks, I would suggest that you focus on only 5 of the most important ones and leave the rest for another day. So, in summary, a to-do list has 5 most important tasks ranked based upon the duration of the task, its importance, and how you want to plan your day. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such how to go about something videos. Bye!